गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Hi friends, today let we see a summary of Grandma Climbs a Tree. I hope you will like this video. If you like, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. The poem, Grandma Climbs a Tree, is written by Ruskin Bond, one of India's most loved writers. It is a funny, touching, and heartwarming poem that shows the poet's admiration for his adventurous grandmother. The poem tells us that Grandma was not like other elderly women. From her childhood, she loved climbing trees. She was bold, active, and full of life. Even when she grew old, she never gave up her favorite hobby. The poet proudly says that she could climb trees faster than most young people. When Grandma turned 62, her family asked her to stop climbing trees because it was dangerous at her age. But Grandma did not listen. One afternoon, she climbed a tree to enjoy the breeze and got stuck there. The family was worried and had to bring her down with the help of a ladder. The doctor advised her to take rest and not to climb trees again. Though her family cared for her, Grandma felt unhappy staying inside the house. She missed being close to nature. Seeing her sadness, the poet's father decided to make her happy in a special way. He got a beautiful tree house built for her in the garden. From there, she could live among the branches and leaves she loved so much. She spent her days reading books, drinking sherry, and enjoying the peace of nature. The poem beautifully shows Grandma's free spirit, courage, and energy, even in old age. It also reflects the family's love, understanding, and respect for her wishes. Through humor and affection, Ruskin Bond teaches us that age should never stop us from doing what we love. The poem inspires us to stay young at heart, live freely, and enjoy life to the fullest, no matter how old we grow.